Hello, this is Anthony with Land Title. Let's take a look at the Superior marketplace. There is a lot going on in the real estate market in Superior, and one thing I really wanted to touch on was just how little inventory there is here. This has been an issue well before COVID, right? In a lot of Boulder County, we've seen this where, there was inventory, now there's not. Well, in Superior, we've seen the exact opposite. There was no inventory. There's still no inventory. It's just getting worse. People somehow still seem to keep buying, and they're buying at a more rapid pace than we've ever seen in years past. If you're looking at year over year, we're down 30% under contracts because, well, there's just nothing to buy, right? I mean, I think there's 4 homes on the market when I looked at this at the end of December. There's just nothing there. So the composition of sales is also creating some trouble as far as like really getting an accurate read on what kind of appreciation you're seeing in these marketplaces. But we've seen everything from 10 to 21% if you look out to long months. So in Superior, you have to be experiencing somewhere in that marketplace, right? Some double digit figures, even though we're seeing a 2.7% decrease in average sales price year over year. It could just mean with that few of sales, you have a couple of luxury properties that didn't sell this month that sold in December last month, and it kind of skews the numbers. So take that with a grain of salt. Average sales price, as you can see over the last 5 years or so, has steadily increased, and you're getting really good appreciation in that marketplace. Don't pump the brakes on Superior. It's an incredible place. It's one of the last places in Boulder County outside of way east that still has a little bit of room to build. And its proximity to Denver and Boulder makes it key. Okay, if you look at the total sales, it's actually shocking that the sales aren't down compared to where they were. We're only down 6.7% over year. We had the big shutdown in April and May last, 2020. And that really created a lot of problems as far as just getting contracts out, getting things under contract. And it made a lot of people skittish about looking at homes, not just in Superior, but all over Colorado. Then you come out, booming buyer demand, right? June, July, August, pretty much all the way till now. The only limiting factor through, December and some of these last months is that inventory just hasn't come back on the market. So this is not a bad sign for Superior. It's just a problem that all those new builds that are coming on the market are going to be sold before they even get there, right? Or as soon as they get on the market. This one is definitely one of the lowest that I've seen across the entire metro area. Very few markets have this type of inventory. It's just so low that we're talking about a week's worth of inventory or less. So if you're a buyer, get out there, start putting offers in and looking at properties the day they come on the market. If you're a seller, it just means if it's ready, move-in ready, you got to be prepared for this type of behavior in the marketplace. Days on market, I just wanted to point this out. And this is how I know that Superior is not, having problems because of some of these figures. Is see how the days on market are trending down? What that means is that even though there's no inventory to be had, they're sitting on the market even less every month all year long this year. So people are really wanting to move to this area. It's a very desirable area, and buyer demand is stating that and showing that for us. So this is Anthony with Land Title. Happy to help. If you have any questions, concerns, reach out. And I always have other marketplaces you can take a look at. See you next time.